In the today's sessions, we'll discuss on HTML hyperlink. In every day, everyone click on the hyperlink. How? Suppose your friend sends some link in your WhatsApp. The link may be YouTube, Facebook link, Twitter link, Instagram link, and other web page link. Suppose you just click on that link, what will happen? It will move from one page to another page, in one platform to another platform, from WhatsApp to Facebook, from WhatsApp to Instagram, from WhatsApp to YouTube, from WhatsApp to Twitter, etc. This is called the hyperlink. Okay. So what is definition of hyperlinks? The hyperlink HTML defined by a tag, which is called as an anchor tag. We use the hyperlink when we want to go from one website to other website or from one page to other page directly. This is called the hyperlinks. So how to write the hyperlinks? This is the syntax of the hyperlink. So syntax means rule. Okay. So here A is the tag. This is called the anchor tag. This is called what? This is called the anchor tag. In anchor tag A, href equal to name of the URL and closing the anchor tag first. Then after put some link here and then after close the anchor tag with /a. Total things is called the HTML hyperlink tag. This is the rule how to write the HTML hyperlink. Okay. So here, what is the meaning of href? Okay, href specify the destination of the links. Means where to go. What is your destination? When I click on that links, where to go? Okay. Second thing is link text. Link text means what? The clickable links that in browser it show like a blue color of link. Okay. Okay, I will show you later in the practical sections. Okay. Suppose let us take an example. Link to another website. Suppose I want to link to another web page. How to write here? So here look, within the anchor bracket A, href, what is this? This is called what? URL. This is called what? URL. URL is maybe different. Suppose I want to put YouTube URL. Suppose I want to Facebook URL. Suppose I want to Instagram, anything else URL, you can put it here, right? And this is the what? Visit a Google. Or suppose I just change, click here. Suppose I just click here. According to you, you can change it. Okay. I just put it link text, click here. Okay. Second thing also visit here. Suppose I just write visit here. Okay. In second line, open a link in a new tab. Means in the new tab it will open. How to write here? Same things, a tag, href, name of the URL. URL may be different. Okay. Target is blanks. Here the another attribute is called the target equal blank. Means it will open in the new tab. Visit here. This is the name of the link text and this is the closing hypertext. This is the starting hypertext. All these things is called the HTML hyperlink. Okay, hyperlink tag. Now let's go for practical. How to write the HTML hyperlink and how it visible in web browser. Okay. Same things. Write the HTML structure first. HTML closing HTML tag, head starting tag, head ending tag. Inside the head tag write the title, HTML hyperlink tag demo title. Here title tag close. This is the body main sections to display the hyperlink in the web page. Okay, here look how to write the hyperlink. A is a hyperlink tag. First is called anchor tag, href, and closing a tag. In between here name of the link name is click here. Okay, suppose I write https www.freejobalert.com. Okay, I save this file. Now we go to web browser and just refresh this page. Here look, this is link is what, click here, because I already added this name of the link is click here, so it visible me a click here. Okay, suppose I click on that links, it will open in the same page, that is in which page, that is www.freejobalert. This is called the hyperlink. When I click on the Google browser, it will open what? It will open freejobalert.com web page. Okay, another things, we use break statement to separate the two link. Here I write a break statement and then after another link I put, that is a href equal to, suppose I want to put YouTube link https www.youtube.com. Another attribute I added here, I will add it target equal to underscore blank. So visit here and ending tag is a, and just save this file and go to web browser and refresh this page. Here look, another link is visit here. This is called the visit here link. Another links visit, spelling mistake, visit links. When I click on that link, here look, another link here, that is called visit here, and here we another attribute we already added here, that is target equal blanks. That means it will open in the another tab. When I click on the visit here, it will open in the another tab. Look how to open. When I click, it opened another tab, that is called what, youtube.com. So where it is coming, because I have already added this one, https YouTube links. Depend upon you, if you add Facebook link, Twitter links, Instagram links, according to your links, it will redirect to the another page. This is the practical of the HTML hyperlink tag. Okay, before wrap up this video, I would like to request all of you kindly practice these sessions video. If you have any issue or any doubt or any query, please comment here. I will definitely reply back to you. Okay, thank you all.